じゃあスタートしますよ。いいですか？はい。
Okay. You just said the track is out and you're all gonna die. Is that cool? All right, here we go. Slowly we turn. All right, guys, we are on this Jetto coaster in Japan. Everyone say a quick hello, because we got plenty of time because it's a Japanese lift hill. Hey! All right, here we go. You can sort of get a nice view of the area. All right. This ride just kind of disappears into the trees, doesn't it? All right, guys, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! It is said this is the second oldest roller coaster in Japan. Somebody on the internet can look that up for me. All right, here comes the tunnel. Here we go, big drop. Whoa! Massive 230-foot hill right there. How was that, everybody? Yeah. See? TPR proofs.